Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is busy rolling out two new Windows 11 preview builds, which are basically mirror images once again of each other and have the same change logs, and that's for the dev channel with build 26200.5702 and insiders in the beta channel with build 26120.4733. And quick reminder, the dev channel is where Microsoft now is officially testing this year's annual feature update version 25H2. So just a quick video to take a look at what's new in the dev and beta channel for this week. Now, first of all, Microsoft is introducing a new describe image in Click to Do, which obviously is a Copilot Plus PC feature, which Microsoft says is to get detailed descriptions of images, charts, and graphs. Useful, it says, to get a quick overview of the visual content on your screen. So when you use the action for the first time, the required models are set up and the descriptions are generated locally according to Microsoft on your device, making sure your sensitive data stays on your PC. And as mentioned, this new describe image action in Click to Do is only rolling out for Copilot Plus PCs. Now, just to mention the next one, the next is a feature called Administrator Protection, which is an upcoming platform security feature in Windows 11, according to Microsoft, which aims to protect free floating admin rights for administrator users, allowing them to still perform all admin functions with just-in-time admin privileges. Microsoft says that this feature is off by default and needs to be enabled via Windows Security under Account Protection or via Group Policy. And this next new feature also made its way into the Canary channel, as I posted on yesterday, where Microsoft says it's updating the design of the privacy dialogues for app permissions. So when an app requests permission to access location, camera, microphone, and so on, it is now a system model dialog. So when one of these dialogues appears from an app requesting permission, the screen will slightly darken now and the privacy dialog will take focus in center of the screen, where previously, as we can see here to the left, that was not the case. And the next change, Microsoft says, is that Windows insiders in the dev and beta channels with Smart App Control in evaluation mode may see Smart App Control get turned on in Windows Security. So if Smart App Control is turned on, which by the way you can head to by heading to App and Browser Control, Smart App Control. So if Smart App Control is turned on, Microsoft says it can be switched off via Windows Security, App and Browser Control, Smart App Control. And just on a side note, Smart App Control, as you can see, is off on my device because it's only turned on and only available when clean installing Windows 11, not updating like I did. And I've posted a video where Microsoft said that Smart App Control makes Windows 11 faster. Quite an interesting video. I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more info regarding Smart App Control. And here's one I've also posted on previously, which I'll also leave linked. Windows PowerShell 2, according to Microsoft, is now deprecated. And in the most current insider preview builds flighted to the dev channel, it's actually removed. More information, Microsoft says, will be shared in the coming months on the removal of Windows PowerShell 2 in an upcoming update for Windows 11. Go check the video out for more info. I get a little bit more in depth there if you would like some more information. And that's the new features and changes for the dev and beta channel this week. As mentioned, basically an identical build. And as usual, we get a couple of fixes and a couple of known issues, which is quite common in these preview builds. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.